They also did a viewer recipe contest, and the winners are in the book as well. And do you know what they sent from the real Wheel of Fortune show, Mary?
So excited about this.
We have been sent official Wheel of Fortune name tags.
Can I wear it the whole show?
I'm gonna wear mine the whole show.
Okay, good.
Like, if we were contestants on the show, this is what we would have. Should I cover up my regular David with this?
Oh, I just want a free spin.
Honey, should I cover up my regular
Oh,
David
yeah,
with
that's
this?
a good idea.
Yeah, okay, here we go.
I
Look
love
at that. It's Wheel.
I want to buy all the E's.
Of Fortune. I want to buy a vowel. All of them.
All right, I'm going. Thank you for the
Okay.
name tag, darling. Can't wait to eat.
I love the wheel. Let's spin the wheel. Okay. Hey, what's in the book? Oh, I'm sorry. I was so excited about my name badge. Vanna White's Vanna Banana Pudding. This is her recipe. Our girl Vanna grew up in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Love her. She's my southern friend. We also might be having a celebrity call-in during the show, Mary. Stick around and see who's calling in from Wheel. Could be anybody. Just saying. All right, and also we have this beautiful, beautiful cake. This is the Showstopper Chocolate Truffle Cake. Unbelievable. Perfect and just in time for autumn. How about Grandma Rose's stuffed cabbage down here? Stuffed cabbage, delicious. And then finally we have gluten-free, Mary, gluten-free fruit-filled Danishes right here. Got some gluten-free up in here. Now, these are all exciting. The book is coming in at $19.96. I have an official Wheel of Fortune name badge. I'm very excited. Mark Charles, you can't have it. Doesn't say your name on it. Can't have it. Back off. All right, so also, what am I making for my recipe?